Hi, and welcome to this self-paced learning experience. This is the introduction to the Oxford comma. What is an Oxford comma, you may ask? An Oxford comma, which is also known as a serial comma, is a comma that falls before the word and or in a list of three or more items. Acquiring skills regarding the proper use of the Oxford comma is very useful in various social and professional situations because it can help minimize ambiguity and communicate more clearly what a sentence is actually trying to convey. And this is essential to information literacy in general. If an undergraduate student, for instance, has serious aspirations to attend graduate school and to perform research in their field, then this would be absolutely essential. The Oxford comma is also very important because it is a requirement of MLA, Chicago, APA, and Oxford style guides, and this covers a broad academic spectrum, including the humanities and social sciences. What else will we be learning in today's subsequent tutorial? We're going to learn about the rule of three, what an independent clause is, how to avoid accidental apposition, and again, ambiguity. This concludes the introduction to Oxford commas. Please continue to the tutorial.